For the first part of our metal mandala project, we'll need scissors, ruler, pencil, 2 circle tracers, in this case lids, metal tooling tools, metal foil or aluminum foil, and a foam mat or something soft to work on. Now, what we're making has radial symmetry, so we're going to use circle tracers. Going to start by tracing the bigger lid with a pencil or a dull tool, and I'm going to gently press around the lid, holding still with one hand and tracing with the other. Now, with radial symmetry, everything is symmetrical as it goes around in a circle, starting with the center point. I'm going to actually be using 2 circles, tracing my smaller one, and then I'll find my center point where everything is going to radiate out from. So here's my center. I'm going to mark it gently, and my design will go in circles or any sort of shape that I want to do out from the center. So I'm going to use a ruler to divide it into sections, almost like slices of pizza. Now, each of these slices needs to have the same design. So what I create in one, I'll have to repeat in each of the other slices. Now that I've created the first part of my design, I'm going to flip it over to the back and create some indentions from behind. To do this, I'm going to use a rounder tool, something a little bit more dull, like the cap of a Sharpie or this metal tool. And I'm going to push entire sections in very gently so that they pop from the front. Now that I've completed my design from the back, I'm going to soften it out, and then I'm going to go in and add a few more details on the top. Now that I'm done with all my designs, you can see that I have a texture that shows the bumps from the front and the back. The next step is to cut out my mandala. This will be the center of a drawing that I'm going to be mounting it on. Finally, I'm going to create the drawing, starting with a large tracer that fills my page. And then I'm going to trace my metal mandala in the center. Now I'm going to fill my drawing with radial symmetry designs. Now I just need to color it in, and that's my metal mandala.